Voters in Illinois have just 2 more hours to cast their primary day ballots. Despite concerns of the outbreak, it didn't stop polls from closing today. News 4's Emma Hogue spent the day talking with voters as well as election judges about some of the hurdles that they have faced. She joins us live tonight from Christ Church in Fairview Heights.
Claire, right now there are about a dozen voters here, so a few more than we showed you at 4 o'clock, but safe to say we have seen a steady flow of people throughout the day. If you're coming here to vote, you will notice an increase in cleaning supplies. I'm talking things like hand sanitizer, these Lysol wipes, even spray disinfectant. Volunteers have been spraying down these booths about every 10 minutes, even wiping down every one of these pens. These are precautions they're taking to hopefully increase what's expected to be a very low voter turnout.
It's wonderful to feel part of the society.
Gilberto Hugo, originally from Guatemala, became an American citizen 2 years ago. He wasn't going to let coronavirus impact his right to vote.
That's how we decide the course and the future of our nation.
At his polling place in Caseyville, he was greeted by a handful of election judges, a role the county has scrambled to fill in the last few days.
My average election judge is 70 years old. I mean, these people have health concerns, and I'm concerned about their health also.
In fact, Thomas Hallbrook, the clerk in St. Clair County, says over half of about 1,000 judges signed up dropped out late last week. Today, the number stands at around 650, a major shortage compared to past elections.
Because everybody's scared of this virus.
This is Andrea Shipley's 6th year as an election judge. She says the cleaning protocol is much stricter than in years past.
We've got our hand sanitizer, we've got our Lysol wipes, and we wash our hands. And we do the fist bump.
Precautions the county is taking to ease voters' concerns. But regardless, Hallbrook says the coronavirus will impact voter turnout.
We thought we were looking at probably 35 or 40% actually, the way things were going 2 months ago. And we may get 10% today.
Back out here live at Christ Church, you can see some election judges are taking extreme precautions, wearing masks, some even wearing gloves. Also want to point out some voters are even grabbing wipes themselves and wiping down their own booth after they are finished voting. So a lot of precautions being taken here to keep things sanitized. Also good to point out polls close at 7, so voters do have about 2 hours to come out and cast their ballots. We're live in Fairview Heights tonight. Emma Hogue, News 4.